Closer. They'll come in and out, they'll spread apart, they'll line up.
Oh, look at that.
Look, wow, that was incredible what I'm seeing there. Man, one of them was bright white then.
This is a pretty big one. Right
Got
there.
one straight above us.
Yeah. I see it right there.
Yep.
Oh man, that thing looked like it shot to the left a little.
Wow, that was a huge flash.
On the water?
Yeah, did you see it? Look how huge.
I'm watching the orbs.
Watch them, Chester.
Come on in the closer, guys.
Closer. Bethesda or Chevy Chase, Maryland. With my cell phone out here, just looking up. Fixing to go over the house. No idea. I've never seen anything like this.
Look, now it's steady.
It was flickering. Like a fire. I don't know what that is. Let me walk over there tomorrow and see what's over there.
Now it's gone.
It's gone. A tender fasting, like a butterfly. It's gone.
Yeah, it's been doing that. There it is again. Look, it's back on.
Yep. It's gotta be something.
It's off.
If it was something
Now it's gone.
It would not be flickering while you're standing still.
Why would it be dimming and flicking and blinking?
Walk up there and see them.
Look, it's back. It's back.
What makes sense is there's no power or no.
Look, it's back. Look at it.
What would be illuminated in the
Come over here, Sid. Look straight ahead. Right here. Come right.
You would not believe what and I order Uber Eats and I never leave that chair.
Really? You don't go places? You don't go around town and shopping and all
No,
that?
I go see my brother.
Okay.
We go walking at night. We go eat together. But other than that, I'll do puzzles. This is my puzzle table.
Oh.
That's why I made a big counter, because I love puzzles.
And you put the countertop in?
I did all that.
And the cabinets?
Yeah. But I wouldn't have done those cabinets. I had to choose a different contractor. And I had to work with a cell phone. And
There's a beautiful orb right there tonight. That ain't even zoomed. It's in the cloud or going through the cloud. It's to the east of me. Man, is it bright. I gotta get my camera down ahead of that weird angle. There's the power line, top of the pond. There's the orb. Thank you for that. If I had my new camera, I could really have something beautiful here. Of course, I'm thrilled to get this. It's heading east. Maybe a tiny bit northeast. That pole there is almost due east from me. I see it stopped. There is one on the right.
Is it going to get any darker than this?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, pretty crazy right there. Wow, that was a huge white one there.
Go forward.
There's one way offshore just blinked. I mean,
step forward now.
Crazy.
Yeah, I see it. You can see it with the eye.
I'm telling you, these are orbs coming out of the water. That, wow. Emily, stand up. Watch. Put it right on there. Hold it still. Keep it on there.
I see one.
There's three. Keep watching. There are three of them.
There's one.
It'll flash really bright and zip about. These things were jumping all over in the camera. They'd jump left and right.
It's going to the side. Oh.
You keep watching. It's liable to come up out of the water and hover above it and get very dead. I tell you, 8:30. After that point is when it would start.
It's moving to the right.
You see the one on the right?
Yeah.
Two of them would flash back and forth. You see them completely stop, and then there's one way off just flat. Then a really bright one.
See the red one in the sky?
Well, there's two right there. Yeah, there's two.
I tell you, wait till you see the video.
I'm getting two at one time.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very cool.
The video she's
Oh yeah,
doing
one
now
moving across the
is
sky.
crazy.
We're moving across the sky right now.
Yeah. We have one coming at us. See it coming off the ocean up? Right here, look.
Right here, it's moving towards us here. It's getting brighter.
Watch it, y'all.
Look at it.
Everybody watch.
It's coming. It's
right
so
up here.
bright.
Look.
Look at it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hallelujah.
Thank you.
That's what we're looking for.
Thank you.
Now, if you would, come off the ocean. That's one of these balls of light. I guarantee you, shot up and come this way. Look, straight up, straight up. You got another one going left.
Wow.
See it right up here? It's moving that way, north.
It's disappearing. It's going away, it looks like. The higher one is going away.
I can still see it in this.
So, I want you to stop that recording and restart it.
Okay.
It's getting too long. Let me stop it.
Oh, you want to record straight up?
Now see it stopped. There is one on the right. I'm filming three. There's, look, Chester.
See him again?
Right out here, up at elevation. They're all, y'all see them? Anybody see them right out here?
Are they going up?
They're in the air, yeah, a good long ways up. Right here, I'm filming three. There's, look, Chester.
See him again?
Right out here, up at elevation. They're all, y'all see them? Anybody see them right out here?
Are they going up?
They're in the air, yeah, a good long ways up. Right here, I'm filming three. There's, look, Chester.
See him again?
Right out.